Good everybody at FTX. Welcome to the week. What a good start we've had, hey? Pretty good week. Let's just look at Bitcoin on the weekly quickly. Don't forget this is brought to you by FTX. If you haven't got an account, go into the description below and you'll get 10% off your trading fees. I'll show you videos also in the description, how to go long, how to go short, how to manage your risk. And then if you want to learn how to trade, well, get across to tradercobb.com. We've got a lot of new stuff coming out, so get in that mailing list so you can keep an eye on it. Last week, up 5.6%. It's been a really nice run on Bitcoin since that little bullish candle in that cradle zone that I spoke of a few weeks back. I'm really happy with the progress that we're seeing on Bitcoin, and you know what I mean? Like, look at this daily consolidation for quite some period. Last week we did see a move high. It was mainly this candle. Then we consolidated for the rest of it, and look, I can see, given this move here, if we can continue on, well, obviously if we can continue on, but I can see there being, you know, a real likelihood of a continuation to the upside, and maybe explosive too. You know, we're really in that moment right now. We break the high of this candle, we get ourselves above that 12,163 level, and sky's the limit. You know, we can really smash up to 15 this week. I know it's a big number, but hey, we've seen it before. You know, so let's just wait and see how we go. As far as trading goes, look, I'm pretty keen on Bitcoin. Higher, low, higher, higher on the 4 hour. That's the first thing I'm looking at and looking for. Now I'm just going to jump lower. I don't like the cyclicity on the 2 hour. I don't love it on the 1 either. It's when I go real low, the 15. Look at these higher lows that are starting to come in. I want to see some pullbacks. I want to see some opportunity, rather than it just moving in a straight line. I know that, you know, we generally want Bitcoin to move in a straight line, but I'm waiting for pullbacks here, guys. I want to get entered, I want to get filled, and I want to use these perpetual contracts to do so. Might require some patience this week, but that's okay, because I'm going to be around, and hopefully you are too. What else do I like? Cardano. Look, it's been strong all year. One of the better, along with Link, of course, which didn't make the list. And look, when markets consolidate, they can have good breakouts. I started buying back here, not on the perpetual. I was actually trading it against Bitcoin. Wish I could buy it on spot here, but look, it's moved up. Consolidation, move. Consolidation, move. Consolidation, move. Bigger, wider consolidation, move. Another one, move. Now, wild range. I mean, look at the range here on Cardano. 20%. We're starting to get these higher low come up into this. I want to see it. If we can take out yesterday's high, then you know, it's going to look really, really nice on the charts here. And you can see here, if we were to do that on this 4 hour, that would then represent a higher low and a higher high, and that's when I'm going to start to really dig deeper and try and find some longs on Cardano. It's just requiring a bit of patience right now. Let me just double check something quickly, actually. Just seeing if there's any little breakout levels forming down here. Oh, I might keep an eye on that. Perfect. But for those of you who know what my Bitcoin breakout trading strategy is, it is starting to build, and I wouldn't knock it out. I wouldn't say no if it were to set up. I'm just managing my risk accordingly. Speaking of resistance, look at Ethereum here. Let's actually start from the daily, because once again, look, it's held its ground really well, Ethereum. Look at that run. It's an absolute beast. You know, we got through 250. It wasn't that long ago I was talking about it, and we've run 60% since then. Pretty wild. We're hovering around that $400 mark, and you know, I can see us popping through there and having a very strong move further to the upside. Of course, it is extended. It's just the way that it's holding its ground. You can see the resistance, 1, 2, it's not a perfect level, don't get me wrong, but 2 tests at a specific upper price point is resistance. And what I want to see, I'd actually really like to see a run up into there, a higher low, and then a get through. If we can get through there, pullbacks for cradles into 400, I'll look at breakouts for cradles and boosters, the 3 strategies that I use. So Ethereum's on the list. Again, patience is required. Bitcoin Cash, same thing, 1, not quite 2, call it 2, yeah. Or you can just move it down a little bit. I mean, look, it's not an absolutely precise level. It's probably better there, to be honest. Little B-stick break there. I want to see, same as Ethereum, you know, I want to see it pull back, give me that higher low, and then pushing through, looking for boosters following that. Dragon Perp. Yes, Dragon. We're looking here at the 8. Check out a lot of the markets this morning, or you know, the last few hours, they've been a bit nutty. You know, gone a bit wild, a bit wacky, a bit wild, a little bit dangerous. So I've got the higher time frame here on Dragon. if I can get a pullback in, say, 1300 or somewhere around in this cradle zone, yeah, I'm dead set keen on that, because look at this. We've really shown a lot of movement there. I really like the way that it came back down. I was stalking a trade here. Look at this, 1, 2, 3 resistance, broke, pulled back. That's what I'm looking for on the likes of Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and potentially not so much Cardano, but Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum, perp. But I want to see this little candle. I want to see a little candle off of that level. So a deeper pullback on the 8 for Dragons, what I'm after. Horby. Now, I took a trade on Horby. I took that, I think it was Saturday. I got in, I got stopped out. Now I look at this on the 2-day, and I go, higher low, higher high. Obviously that candle's a big mess. I've got to go to the 4-day to back up that to see if there's a trend there. There is. Now, there's an opportunity there on the break of that high. I think it's just broken 479 by a margin. So it's still there. Make your decisions on that one. I'm also looking to see if I can get anything lower. I do like the look of Horby. It's been a little bit messy. The 2-day does fit, to a certain extent. So make your call on that one. It is there on that 2-day chart. And wrapping it out, Tezos. Now I've been on this, like watching this level for a while, and you will all be quite aware of that. I was really hopeful I could build a position in here on spot, but I haven't done that. I couldn't do that, so it's just a matter of waiting for trades now. We've popped through. Check it out on that daily. Look at that weekly. It's all good. I really like the look of that chart. Now what I want to see it pull back. I want it back down here. I want it to sell off, come into here, and then the next candle to give me a small bullish candle. Of course, we've got 7 minutes to go on that candle, so it's unlikely at the moment, but I am keeping a close eye on that because, unfortunately, it's just bounced really hard. The 1 hour doesn't represent opportunity for me either. So again, it's patience that needs to be delivered. Coming and having a quick look at this top 10 here, we are in the green fairly early in the trading day on Monday today, and I'm going to be pretty pumped this week. We've got some good momentum straight away. Get stuck in, guys. It could be an absolute ripper. Tomorrow, 3 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to jump in for the scan. Same place. Hit the like button if you love what we do. Share what we're doing. Get them in your groups. Let people know if you like what I'm doing. Let's spread the word. And I've got a free course coming out, brand spanking new, in the not too distant future. So get in the mailing list. Guys, have a great day, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.